In the name of Almighty Allah, so today we will discuss about Dawn newspaper vocabulary, which is ultra important for CSS, PMS, MPT and other competitive examination in Pakistan. So this is lecture number 13. So the first one is degradation. Degradation meaning is deprivation, poverty, debasement. Next one, eulogy. Eulogy meaning is praise, admiration. Next one, hypochondriac. So its meaning is having imaginary illnesses or signs and symptoms. Next one, legion. So something which are in large numbers. Next one, rigor. So its meaning is the quality of being logically valid. Next one, posthumous. So posthumous meaning is after death. Next one, officious. Officious mean domineering, meddlesome, intrusive. Next one, totter. So walk unsteadily, move without being stable. Next one, alacrity. So enthusiasm, quickness, eagerness. Next one, deleterious. So its meaning is harmful. Next one, hypocritical. Its meaning is insincere. Next one, lethargic. So without energy or paucity of energy, tired. Next one, ogle. So stare at, observe in an obvious manner. Next one, robust, strong, healthy, tough. Next one, tractable, obedient, dutiful, polite. Next one, deliberate, to think over deeply. Next one, euphony. Euphony mean pleasant sounds. Next one, iconoclast, person who possesses orthodoxy. Next one, levity, flippancy, joking about serious matter, lightness. Next one, alibi, an excuse that shows someone was not at crime scene. Next one, buttress, to strengthen, to support someone or something. Next one, libertarian, someone who possesses tyranny. Next one, delineation, demarcation, explanation, outlining, definition. Next one, idiosyncrasy, something unique to an individual. Next one, ominous, threatening, ill fortune. Next one, ruminate. So its meaning is think over something, ponder. Next one, transcribe. So its meaning is imitate, to copy. Next one, ally, to listen the pain, to listen the grievances. Next one, byline, the line that tells you who wrote an article. And the last one is exacerbate, to make worse. So it's all for today. Thanks for watching Dawn Times. If you people have any question, so you can ask freely. Thank you and may the God watch over you.